This gentle stretching sequence with balanced movement will leave you feeling relaxed with a calm mind. Come into a comfortable seated position, resting your palms in your lap. If you feel you need grounding, face the palms down on top of the thighs or the knees. If you feel you would like to receive, rest your palms facing up. Close down the eyes. Begin to relax into your breath. Setting an intention. What are you seeking in your life, maybe physically, mentally, or emotionally, for more balance, more freedom, emotional stability, a big wish, want, a change, whatever it is that you can stretch into this sequence today to create the balance you're seeking physically, mentally, and emotionally. So you'll feel relaxed with a peaceful mind, trusting that everything is always unfolding for your highest good. Set that intention now. Exhale everything out of your mouth. Take a deep inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. A deep inhale again. Hold the breath. Exhale. Continue at your own pace. Finish the round you're on. And when you come to the end of the exhale, gently flicker the eyes open. Coming into tabletop. Take some cat-cows, moving mindfully, connecting the breath to the physical movement. And with the breath connecting to the body, beginning this balanced flow of energy in you and through you. And then gently bring the spine to neutral. Pause there a moment. And then step the right foot in between both hands. Inhale the arms up. into this low lunge. Long, deep breathing, connecting the breath to the mind. And keeping the breath balanced in the body. Exhale both hands down. And side twist to the right. Left hand is planted into the earth and open up towards the right. Twisting, using the breath to create this new energy, this new balanced energy in you and through you. And then exhale the right hand down. Pause there a moment. And then come through tabletop. Inhale the left foot in between both hands. Coming into your low lunge. Long, mindful, deep breathing. And then exhale both hands back to the earth. Right hand into the earth beneath you as you open up towards the left. Long, deep breathing. And then exhale the left hand down. Come back through tabletop. And this time, curl your toes under. Push back and up into downward dog. Stretch it out. Listening to your body intuition. Using your breath to stay balanced in this posture. And using the breath also to create a calm mind. Take a deep inhale with me. And exhale everything out of the mouth. Do that 2 more times at your own pace. After the final exhale, walk your feet to meet your hands, bowing forward. Maybe taking hold of the elbows. Maybe keeping the fingertips on the earth beneath you. And if you're holding the elbows, try swaying from side to side. Eyes are closed, taking the gaze within, connecting to that intuition, to that intention that you set. And then if you're swaying, come back to center. Release the hands to the earth. Tuck the chin into the chest and roll up 1 vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine. Standing in your mountain pose. And pause there a moment. And then inhale the hands down, around, and up. Bow forward. Folding forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Step the left foot back. Coming into this lunge again. You can keep the left knee lifted if you choose, or lower it. And inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms down. Plant the left hand into the earth and open up towards the right. Side twist. And then exhale the right hand down. Move through tabletop. Inhale the left foot in between both hands. Coming into your lunge, you can keep the left leg lifted if that feels appropriate and comfortable, connecting to your body intuition today, or you can keep the right leg down, whatever feels right in your body. And then exhale both hands down. Side twist to the left. Exhale the left hand back down. Come through tabletop and into child's pose. Relax into your child's pose, pressing the forehead into the earth beneath you. Long, relaxed breathing. And then gently walk the hands back towards the knees. Stay seated on your heels and extend the arms out into a T position. Take the right arm underneath, coming into eagle pose with the arms. Stretching the eagle pose as comfortably as it feels, where you can close down the eyes and you feel balanced and strong, yet peaceful and relaxed. And then release the arms back into a T position. And take the left arm underneath, coming into the eagle posture. On the opposite side, keep the eyes closed so you can go deep into the connection of the body, mind, spirit. Relax into the breath. And then release the arms back into that T position. Relax the fingertips down to the earth. You can stay seated on your heels, or you can gently come into a seated, gentle pose, whatever suits your body today. We're going to inhale the fingertips high up to the sky. Exhale the right hand down and lifting the left arm up and over, side stretch. Inhale back to center and exhale over towards the left. Inhale back to center and over towards the right again. Inhale back to center and over to the left one more time. Inhale back to center. This time, take the left hand on top of the right knee and the right hand behind you, coming into this twist. Long, deep breathing, relax into the posture. Inhale back to center, lifting the hands high up to the sky. Exhale, take the right hand on top of the left knee and the left hand behind you. Twisting open towards the left. Use the breath to go deep into the posture. Allowing this prana to connect your body, mind, and spirit, so you'll finish your practice feeling relaxed with a calm mind. Inhale back to center. Hands up high to the sky. And then bring the palms together in prayer pose, down the center and in front of your heart. Press your thumbs into your heart center. Close down your eyes. Repeat 3 times to yourself the intention you set at the beginning of practice. And knowing that you can come back to this practice as often as your body, mind, spirit desires. You can add it on to any other practice. You can also hold the poses longer, repeat it through a couple times over, whatever suits you. And until we meet again, from my heart to yours, namaste.